One small step for mankind.
There, good squirrel. Well, as you have seen, Dr. Claw, my new phone transmitter works perfectly. Within a few days, you'll have all Metro City's valuables.
Well, Mr. Spectrum.
Dr. Spectrum.
Don't talk back. You're lucky. I like your new phone device, Spectrum. Keep up the good work.
As you wish, Dr. Claw.
Go, Speedy Eyes. So that's logic. Wowsers, that's the secret gadget phone. Yes, Chief? Plan 3B? Right away. Go, secret passageway. Go-Go-Gadget jackhammer. Hi, Chief. Here's your assignment, Gadget. Read this. Mansions in Metro City being burglarized. Unknown method used. Suspect mad involvement. Investigate and stop burglaries. Caution. This message will self-destruct. That's amazing, Chief. It would be hard to steal anything as large as a mansion. But don't worry. Inspector Gadget is always on duty. Phew. Gadget! I had no idea the Chief was so patriotic.
Hi, Uncle Gadget. Where are you going?
I'm on assignment, Penny. I have to find out who's stealing those mansions.
I think the Chief meant that someone is stealing things from the mansions, Uncle Gadget.
No, Penny. The Chief said mansions were being burglarized.
You'd better follow him, Brain. I think he needs help. Come on, Brain. Uncle Gadget may be in danger.
Oh, no.
I can't see. Go-Go-Gadget neck. Wowzers. That must be one of the stolen mansions. Go-Go-Gadget mobile. Go-Go-Gadget claw. Excuse me, my good man. Is that a mansion you have there on your truck? If that's a mansion, I must insist upon arresting you. There's been entirely too much mansion stealing going on.
Oh.
I'm a police inspector, you know, and it's my job to make sure no more mansions. think of it, that probably wasn't a mansion.
Phew.
Go-Go-Gadget van.
How is it going?
I'm ready, boss. Beam me up.
You have any questions before you go?
What if someone hangs up the phone?
Don't worry. This red button is a return button. Everything that is transported one way can come back on this side at any time.
Good to know.
Splendid! The squirrel has knocked the phone off the hook.
A mansion. Excuse me. Young lady, I am a police inspector.
You're a pervert!
Obviously, that woman has no respect for law enforcement.
Next time, I'll pulverize you.
Brain? Come in, Brain. What's happening? Hang in there, Brain. I'll try to finish this homework.
Wowsers! A brand new phone book. This may be just the clue I was looking for. Phone books are valuable. No one would just throw one away unless... If I find out this is your phone book, you'll be in a great deal of trouble.
You again?
I'll go to the phone company and see who bought this book.
Hello, police! I've been robbed!
Curses! It's Gadget! Gadget is entering the building.
Oh, no. He shouldn't be here. All my equipment is here. This place is a hotbed of clues.
Get rid of him.
Hello there! Can anyone here help me?
Why, yes, indeed. I certainly can.
Oh, is that one of those things for changing channels? I love these. Now, about this... Whoops.
Oh,
Excuse me. I just need some information about this phone book. If you could just stop for a minute and... That lineman stole your remote control. Go-Go-Gadget arms. He must have been a mad agent. Go-Go-Gadget skates. You! Stop in the name of the law!
I will get him! I will!
Stop! You're under arrest!
Ha 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 ha!
Whoa!
I did it! I got Gadget!
And in the local news, the owner of the mansion at 1918 Estate Drive has been taken to the Metro Hospital for observation.
But the burglar just vanished. He made everything vanish, and he vanished too. He went into the telephone.
How strange.
Please believe me.
That was the obviously distraught owner of the mansion. Authorities are investigating.
Come in, Brain. What's wrong, Brain? Did something happen to Uncle Gadget? So, the owner of the mansion was telling the truth. Mad utilizes the phone for his evil work. I'll be right there, Brain. Meet me at the phone company.
Wowsers! Excuse me, madam, but is this your phone book?
Come on, Brain. We have to find out what happened to Uncle Gadget. They must be traveling through the phone circuits. I wonder if this number has anything to do with all this. Quick, Brain! Hide!
We better erase these phone numbers. Dr. Claw told us not to leave any evidence.
Dr. Claw. So this is one of Dr. Claw's schemes. Maybe if I use my computer book, I can find the address to go with that phone number. The phone number goes to the mansion at 1918 Estate Drive, Brain. That's where the last robbery occurred. Go over there, Brain. Maybe that's where Uncle Gadget is. I'll try to figure out what's going on here.
If you could just stop crying for a minute, madam.
Phew.
A nutshell. I think I saw more of these outside. I think I better follow that van. I'll bet that squirrel has something to do with the burglaries. Come in, Brain. Oh, good. I think I'm at the site of the next burglary, Brain. You've got to get Uncle Gadget here. It's 11730 Ventura Boulevard.
Is this yours or is it someone else's? Please, madam, just answer my question. Wait, give me that. Stop in the name of the law!
Wow!
What's a cute little girl like you doing in a place like this? A walk at night isn't very safe. You better be quiet, little spy. I'll be sending you to a nice place soon.
Who's that, Dr. Spectrum?
Gadget's niece. Dematerialize her.
That's a good idea. What number shall we use?
Let's send her to Dr. Claw. Now for this little trip I promised you, my dear.
Look out! Behind you!
Got it.
Idiot, give me that. Let go, you klutz.
Look who's talking.
Now's my chance.
Wow.
We have enough evidence now to stop them. We'd better call Chief Quimby. The objects, or people, dematerialize from one side and rematerialize from another telephone.
No!
Stop in the name of the law! Excuse me, sir. Have you seen a mad agent?
He just left.
It must be another present, Mad Cat. What? Whoa, what's this? Get out! Take your trash with you!
This man looks like he needs help. Go-Go-Gadget neck. It looks like a major problem. Let me help you. Go-Go-Gadget laser. I love mechanics. My good man, you're lucky to have met Inspector Gadget on your way. I wonder where this piece goes. And this red button.
Oh, no! The return button! Don't touch that button!
What is
Ah! Well, Gadget, I see you've done it again. All right, arrest these men.
Yes, Chief, but I'm not quite sure where this piece goes.
I know where that goes.
Hey, where is he?
Never mind, Gadget. You got the job done. That's amazing, Gadget.
It certainly is, Chief. It certainly is.
You may have succeeded this time, Gadget. But next time, you will vanish forever.
Okay, bye. You know, Uncle Gadget, the telephone is a useful tool in case of emergencies.
That's right, Penny. You can call the fire department.
You can call the police.
Just in case I'm not around.
That's why everyone, including small children, should learn the emergency phone numbers. It could save your life.
Especially if I'm not there.